Welcome. We all know that corporate training offers many benefits, but do you know that it also enhances employee performance? In case you don't, let's learn today. 1. It focuses on skills that ensure they have the tools to excel in their roles. 2. It provides them with latest industry insights to help stay ahead of the curve. 3. It incorporates problem-solving exercises to help develop critical thinking skills. 4. It motivates employees to take on challenging tasks, contribute ideas, etc. 5. It fosters communication and teamwork within organization via group activities. 6. It helps employees complete tasks with lesser errors, streamlines processes, etc. 7. It allows organizations to track the impact of training on individuals and teams. So, now that you know that corporate training enhances employee performance and how it does it, make sure to try it out. If you are not already subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe icon right now so you don't miss anything in the future. Thank you so much for watching.